Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha. This is a Marathi song on Lord Vittal. He is so called because Vit in Marathi means brick. Vittal, Vitevari, the one who stands on the brick. The song was composed by Santashri Janabai, who was a great devotee of Lord Vittal. Apart from Santashri Janabai, there are many saints like Santashri Namadev, who expressed his true love for Lord Vittal that the Lord himself came and ate the wood which was offered by Santashri Namadeva. Namadeva Kirtana Kare Prema Bharanache Panduranga. Namadeva Kirtana Kare Prema Bharanache Panduranga. Janabai Mane Deva Bolo Abhanga. Janabai Mane Deva Bolo Abhanga. Namadeva Kirtana Kare Prema Bharanache Panduranga. The Marathi song which was composed by these saints is popularly called as Abhang. Abhanga bolata kirtani ranga otavada. Abhanga bolata kirtani ranga otavada. Premanchiya sangadeva natsulagala. Premanchiya sangadeva natsulagala. Hari Namadeva, Hari Hari Namadeva, Kirtana Kare Prema Bharanache Panduranga. You all would have seen in pictures that the Lord Vishnu wears a yellow clothing. This yellow clothing is called Pitambara. Apart from Santashri Janabai, Santashri Namadev, there are many saints like Sant Pundareka, Sant Jnaneshwar, Sant Kabirda, Sant Chokamela, Sant Jnanadev, Sant Sangadev, Sant Tukaram Maharaj, and so on. Nachata dolata devansa kalala pitambara. Nachata hari hari nachata dolata devansa kalala pitambara. Savata hoi deva ise bole kabira. Savata hoi deva ise bole kabira. Namadeva, Hari Namadeva, Hari Hari Namadeva, Kirtana Kari Prema Bharanache Panduranga. Sant Janabai says that we all will get liberated from the rebirth and death on the grace of Mother Vittal. The devotees of Lord Vittal feel the motherly affection with the God. So they call him as Vitu Mauli, Mauli, Vitobai, Vitai. Mauli and I in Marathi means mother. Namayanchi janilole santanje pai. Namayanchi janilole santanje pai. Janma marana pasune mukta karike vitobai. Janma marana pasune mukta karike vitobai. Namadeva, Hari Namadeva, Hari Hari Namadeva, Kirtana Kari Prema Bharanache Panduranga. The song was composed by Santashri Janabai. Then why this song insist on the praise of Santashri Namadeva? Even though Santashri Janabai was the working woman in the household of Santashri Namadeva, she got inspired by the devotion that Sant Namadev had on Lord Vittal. So she too developed the spirituality and the devotion with her. So the bonding between Santashri Namadeva and Santashri Janabai was like a guru and disciple. So she composed this song as Namadeva Kirtana Kari Prema Bharanache Panduranga. Namadeva Kirtana Kari Prema Bharanache Panduranga. Janabai Mane Deva Bolo Abhanga. Janabai Mane Deva Bolo Abhanga. Namadeva Kirtana Kari Prema Bharanache Panduranga. Namadeva Kirtana Kari Prema Bharanache Panduranga. Panduranga, Panduranga. ஆழ்வார் எம்பெருமானார் ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம்.